I'm gonna be straight up. I am super excited about this new 3-piece bookmark set that I got. This is great for reading the Bible, great for studying the Bible. There's lots of different ways you can read the Bible. There's sort of a meditative read where maybe you're just reading small portions here and there as you sort of just relax, go into sort of a meditative state with the Lord, and you let the Lord speak to you that way. There's also just sort of going all over the place. There's also doing a deep study. I'm doing a deep study right now. I just got this. I'm in Genesis, but as I'm studying, I'm sort of, I'm reading the stuff at the bottom here, and it has me bouncing around to other parts of the Bible. So the great thing about this is how many bookmarks there are. So you got one spot where you're reading. If you only want to use one, you can use one. But if you want to use two, use two. Total of 5 different bookmarks in one bookmark. And I will show you these two. This is what it looks like right here. So if you just want to use one, you just use one right here. But say you have another spot you want to go to. Great for studying the Bible. Great for just doing a deep study as you may bounce around a bit in your deep study. So perfect. Even has the artificial leather because you're reading about Jesus, you're reading about God, you're studying the Bible. You don't want to be hurting animals for a bookmark. So you got artificial leather right here. Highly recommend.